free internet on Android phones without service, an easy guide. I have come across many Android phone users asking how to get free internet on Android phones without active service from a carrier. In this video, I am going to show how to get free internet on Android without service from a carrier or an internet service provider, using a VPN, virtual private network. Droid VPN is a popular VPN app which can be used for accessing free internet on Android without a data plan. The app can be downloaded from the Google Play Store. How to use VPN on Android for free internet. The steps to follow for the setup. How to get free internet on Android using Droid VPN. 1. Download and install Droid VPN application on your Android device. 2. Register your account using username, password AMP, email address. 3. Next, go to connection settings and click on connection protocol AMP, select TCP option. 4. Now HTTP headers should appear. Click that and check the box to enable HTTP headers. 5. Type custom HTTP headers as hostget.wink.in/x online hostget.wink.in/ and click OK. 6. Open Droid VPN app and select any available connection. 7. Click on Connect and you will be connected to Droid VPN. 8. You are now connected to the internet and free to surf any website without any mobile data balance. One final point to note is that for all the steps mentioned above to get free internet on Android without a data plan, there could be slight variations in actual implementation depending on the make and model of your device. How to disconnect from VPN. You can also disconnect from VPN whenever you want. While connected to a VPN, you will see a persistent VPN activated notification in your notifications drawer. If you want to disconnect from the VPN service, simply tap the notification and then tap disconnect.